Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be having breakfast. I think it's my first breakfast video. I know I do have some fries here, which are kind of like a lunch thing, but it is Jack in the Box. So they serve lunch and breakfast all day. But this is new. These are they have new garlic and herb fries. Let's see, they have garlic and herb on them. Let me give this a taste. They're pretty good. I don't know. It does taste like garlic and herb, but they just kind of drizzle some. I don't know how I feel about it yet. And I also have a hash brown, and I got the sausage croissant sandwich. So it has a sausage, the cheese, the egg, and I also got to try. I've never had these. The burrito. It's really big, actually. like, I mean, and this is actually really big. I mean, to scale. This is a meat lovers, so it has bacon, sausage, egg, and cheese. It might have ham in it as well, I think. Still kind of sick, so I am going to the doctor tomorrow. I finally made an appointment, so I'll be over there nice and early tomorrow to get some medicine. The over-the-counter stuff just hasn't seemed to been working. I feel fine. I feel and I can hear the like nasal stuff. So here's my jelly. I haven't had breakfast from any fast food really in a long time, but especially Jack in the Box. But I do like their croissants. Let's see. Croissants are good. They're pretty big too. It actually tastes pretty good with this. I feel like it brought out the flavor more of the fries or something. Now y'all know I won't be able to finish all of this, but I just like to get a lot of different things to taste for you guys. Now I love jelly. Love jelly. I can eat jelly. I can put jelly on anything. This is strawberry jelly. And the croissant is really good. This is good. It tastes just like McDonald's. I'm gonna try to get into this burrito here. You can already see a little peek of the hash brown in there, I think. Oh, it's cheese. But there might be hash brown. Okay, already I can see sausage, cheese, bacon, and I see some ham in there. I don't know if you can tell yet. Let me try to tear off some of this tortilla on top to kind of expose it a little bit. There you go. Now I can see what's in there. I'm surprised they put. I thought it would have been just little chopped up pieces of meat and things like that, but they put like big pieces of. There's the sausage, cheese, bacon, and that's ham, and this is the egg. Huh. I have to say this burrito's pretty good. And this scrambled egg, this tastes like homemade scrambled egg. It doesn't taste fake. It doesn't taste. No, it's really good. It tastes real. I mean, look, you can see all the. This was $3.99 on its own, but it's a lot. I don't think there's no hash brown in there though. I thought I saw hash brown, but there's no hash brown. I went in to get the sandwich, and then I just kind of ended up getting that and this. The sandwich is good too. Hash brown is big. They also gave me a salsa for this, but I don't know. Let me show you. I can already tell I'm not gonna like it, so I'm just not even gonna try it. It kind of just looks. It doesn't look bad. It just looks like fake salsa to me. I'm starting to like these. This thing is heavy too. I'm just gonna eat a little bit more of this, and then I'm gonna finish that. This I'm gonna have to save it for. It's really heavy. It's a lot. This is a lot. Oh, they put two kinds of cheese in here. The cheese is really good. It's really good. Might have that for lunch. The rest of that for lunch. Oh, I also got a nice coffee. It's the first time I've had it. This one's caramel. It's pretty good. It tastes just like McDonald's caramel coffee, iced coffee. It's not bad. Starting to like these. I'm already getting full. Her egg is really good too. If I had to choose a favorite like fast food breakfast, my first would probably be Burger King. I really like their croissants. And I like their hash browns. And I like their chocolate milk. Second would probably be a tie between Jack in the Box and McDonald's. I don't like the egg very much. I'll get it, but I don't really love the egg that McDonald's puts on their sandwiches. It just tastes really like phony, like fake to me. The egg that they put on the McMuffins, that tastes pretty good. Like that seems like a real egg to me. But the eggs that they put, like their scrambled eggs, seems too weird to me. This was like a fried egg, but it looks, tastes, feels like a real egg. I'm getting full, guys. This fills you up. This is really heavy. I want to take another bite just because it's so good, but I want to save it for lunch. So tomorrow, I'm going to the doctor's to go get some medicine for this congestion. And then I think I'm going to maybe get some donuts, try some donuts. But I'm not going to be able to film probably after tomorrow until next week. I'm going to try to upload 2 videos a week, at least. I don't know if I can be consistent with the days just because my schedule's kind of all over the place and with school. It just depends on homework and exams and things like that. So whenever I have a chance, I'll film. I went to Jack in the Box today because it's the closest. The next closest is Burger King. They're just right across the street from each other, but to get to Burger King, I have to wait at a light and then just cross the intersection. And Jack in the Box, I don't have to cross the light, so I just went there. And it is a busy intersection. Would I get these urban garlic and herb fries again? I don't think so. But anyway, I'm gonna throw in the towel. I'm full. If I ever go to Jack in the Box for breakfast again, I think I just might get this and like a nice coffee or something. I've been craving donuts, and there's this good donut place just around the corner from here. So I think on my way back tomorrow, I like fresh donuts. So if I go early, they'll be good, nice and fresh. I think I'll film that for you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And to the few subscribers that I have out there, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video. Please let me know what you'd want to watch. If it's something different, something that I've tried before, I'm open to any suggestions. All right, bye guys. Thank you.